Good day, everyone. I am Patrick Jan Gelorio from Alicia Bohol. Today, I will discuss Module 14 to 15 entitled Leadership and Empowerment under the course Development of Leadership Behavior. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning of leadership, different leadership theories and styles, and the importance of empowerment in becoming an effective leader. Let's proceed to the learning outcomes. Before we begin, here are the learnings outcomes of this lesson. At the end of this presentation, we should be able to define leadership, compare different leadership theories and leadership styles, and understand the importance of empowerment in leadership. These objectives help us understand how leaders guide and motivate people to achieve common goals. What is leadership? Leadership is a ability to influence, guide, and motivate people toward achieving a common goal. A good leader does more than give instruction. A leader inspires others, builds trust, solves problems, and helps the team succeed. Effective leadership also requires responsibility, communication, honesty, and respect. In any organization, good leadership helps improve teamwork and overall performance. Uh, Leadership theories. Leadership theories explain why some people become effective leaders. The first is the trait theory, which says that leaders are born with qualities such as confidence, intelligence, and honesty. The second is the behavioral theory, which believes that leadership skills can be learned through training and experience. The third is the situational theory, which explains that leadership should adjust their leadership style depending on the situation and the needs of their team. Next is leadership styles. There are different leadership styles. The autocratic style means the leader makes decisions alone and expects others to follow. This style is useful during emergencies or when quick decisions are needed. The democratic style allows team members to participate in decision making. It encourages teamwork, creativity, and better communication. The laissez-faire style gives employees more freedom to make decisions. These styles work best when team members are experienced, responsible, and capable of working independently. Next is empowerment. Empowerment means giving employees the authority, confidence, and responsibility to make decisions and contribute to the organization. Empowered employees become more motivated, productive, and confident because they feel trusted by their leaders. Leaders who empower their teams encourage learning, improve teamwork, and help employees develop their skills. Next is importance of leadership and empowerment. Leadership and empowerment are both important because they help organizations achieve success. Good leadership motivates employees, improve communication, solve problems, and create a positive work environment. At the same time, empowered employees become more responsible, confident, and committed to their work. When leadership and empowerment are combined, organizations become stronger and more successful. In conclusion, leadership is about guiding and inspiring people to achieve common goals. while empowerment is about trusting people and helping them reach their full potential. A good leader not only gives direction but also encourages others to grow and succeed. By practicing effective leadership and empowerment, we can build stronger teams, improve performance, and achieve greater success. That's all, and thank you.
The end.